When keeping dynamic components alive, as we just saw, there are two additional lifecycle hooks available to us, apart from the ones we saw earlier in the course, namely the activated and deactivated hooks. These lifecycle hooks are added to components in exactly the same way as the other lifecycle hooks, so let's go ahead and add both of them to our components. I'll begin by adding them to the about component. So the first one was activated, and the second one was deactivated. And within these hooks, I will just add an alert. So about components activated. And I'll copy this for the deactivated hook and copy these two and add them to the other components. And just change the name, of course. And last but not least, the home component. And opening up a browser, we now see an alert being displayed immediately because the home component is activated when we load the front page. When switching to a different view, we can see that the home component is deactivated and the new component is activated. So the activated hook is invoked when a dynamic component is rendered, and the deactivated hook is invoked as soon as it stops being rendered. Notice that these hooks are only available with dynamic components that are wrapped within a keep alive tag. So what is this actually good for? The activated hook could be useful for fetching the latest data from a remote server when navigating to a component, such as retrieving the latest news. The deactivated hook could be used for cleaning up data and changing the state of the component. You can basically do anything you want within these hooks, so you're only limited to your imagination.